Today, it is all eyes on a Collin County courtroom where the man convicted in a fatal stabbing is fighting for his freedom.
In June, a jury convicted Karmelo Anthony of murdering Austin Metcalf at a track meet in Frisco. His legal team pushing for a new trial.
Janelle Fort live outside the courthouse this morning with what's at stake. Janelle?
Well, Dia and Matt, before Karmelo Anthony's attorneys can really get into their argument for a new trial, they first want a new judge, and that is what today's hearing is all about. So starting at 9 o'clock this morning, a visiting judge will hear their request to remove Judge John Roach from the case, and their argument centers in part on comments Roach made to WFAA just 2 days after Anthony was convicted.
As long as I follow the law, I sleep well at night. I don't think it's my job to feed social media or the media.
Now, Anthony's new attorneys say they believe those comments call into question whether Roach can be fair and impartial as this case moves through the post-trial process. So what happens today really sets up what happens tomorrow. If Roach stays on the case, he'll hear Anthony's motion for a new trial. But if he is removed, another judge will be appointed to take that over. Anthony's attorneys are challenging several things that happened during the first one, including that so-called gentleman's agreement over evidence, Anthony's decision not to testify, courtroom access, and the removal of 3 black potential jurors. Prosecutors maintain the case was handled fairly, and there is a clock on all of this. That new trial motion has to be resolved within 75 days of sentencing. I'll send it back to you in the studio.
All right. Thank you so much, Janelle. There are no cameras on recording allowed in the courtroom, so our reporters and legal experts will be inside taking notes.